guys, today we're going to be doing a video on the fidget spinner. I just made this game up this morning, and you'll comment down below if it was a good idea or not. So let's get started. Alright, so here's how it works. If I do this, and I grab any one of these little holes or any part of this, then you do a dare. If you miss it, then you're safe. So I spin it, and you just randomly go, and see, I grabbed it, so now I would have to do a dare. But I grabbed it again. Grabbed it again. Grabbed it again. Okay, see, I grabbed right here that time, so that's safe. Alright, who wants to go first?
I'll go first. Okay. Whew. Got to do you. What can we do? Eat a piece of grass, I guess. For the first dare. Just eat a piece.
Go get a piece of grass.
Can you eat a piece of grass?
Just give me a little piece. You guys know I just got my I just had a dentist appointment, so I can't do too many dares, but I can just do a couple.
Alright, let's use this. Just tiny.
See, this going in my mouth.
Taste the grass. It's just
You just swallow it or not?
You don't have to if you don't want to. It's a tiny piece. I got another one. It's better than that one for sure. Is it your turn?
No, I just went. Remember, I grabbed it.
Oh, why do I keep on doing that? Actually trying to catch it. Good, that was lucky. Every time I try to get it, it slipped on hit my fingers. Oh, really? I had it like that time it slipped. Did you touch it?
Nope, I was like this.
Ha, lucky.
Got it that
Oh,
time.
nice.
Okay. Okay. Dare you eat a little piece of a stick?
Okay.
Like that one right there.
I guess we're eating things now. Do I have to swallow it?
Yeah, sure.
I have to swallow it?
You don't have to. I mean, you gotta try.
It's hard. Don't break. Hurt my tooth.
Oh, guys, this is gonna be bad audio. Sorry, because the wind's blowing real bad.
Ugh, I can't bite it off.
Just break it a little bit.
Got to chew it.
Just find a littler stick if you have to.
It's not big.
Oh, guys,
Oh, there's this little piece.
get one of these
This
fidget
will break
spinners.
you.
That'll work.
Oh, a lot.
Do that
Oh.
piece instead.
I already got it. I broke in my mouth. Has some flavor. It needs salt.
Is there any way you can swallow it?
I don't know.
You can pretty sure you can swallow it
Yeah, I
whole.
can't, there's no flavor.
You could swallow it whole.
You just need salt in there.
Get some saliva and then swallow it. You can swallow. You don't have to crunch it. You can just swallow it whole. It's not that big.
It smells gross just swallowing it, so I'm
Hey guys, before I show you my teeth, if you get easily grossed out, do not watch this part. Skip to about maybe 20 seconds. So if you don't care, well then just go ahead and watch. Here, this is what I have. I can't see the.
What do you do?
I can't get to it. Let's see. Nope, I can't, sorry. I guess not.
Everybody's happy when you didn't see it.
Okay, right now it's my turn.
Oh, look.
Okay, I missed it, I'll do it again. What in the world?
It's not even doing anything.
Shoot.
I know. I dare you to lick that dusty table. Ow.
Okay.
See if I'll get it. Is it the right way? Did you like it? Okay, I don't know if your dog can't see. Okay, anyways. I'm not doing very good there right now. Oh, really? Oh.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. I'm broke.
Okay, guys, I think we're gonna start doing the comment of the day. What you have to put in the comments below. Okay, today, comment, what is your favorite basketball player? That's the question of the day.
I don't even watch basketball that much.
Not you, people. The one that they go down the comments and ask. No, they tell us.
Don't pick Stephen Curry or James Harden. Because those are my brother and him like literally fight about it. Because they always say, James Harden's better. Stephen Curry's better. I'm like, okay, it doesn't matter. Like,
Oh,
this
by
is
the
how
way,
James
Stephen
Harden
Curry really
shoots.
is better though.
And then this is how Stephen Curry shoots. This is how James Harden's so obvious. He always watches them shoot. I'm like, really? So dumb. Well, anyways, I don't even care anymore. Just pick whoever. Bye, I guess. In the world, you look like a ghost.
In the world.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. This is the last time. Next person to get a dare. is
Okay,
the
not
end of the
bad
video.
then.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, nuts.
Okay. What in the world is going on over there?
Clayton and Jake are pushing each other on the screen.
Okay, I got it.
They're like
I'm gonna
13-year-olds.
spin this and close your eyes and let me hit you right where the eye is.
Really,
here.
it hurts.
Right here.
It'll hurt.
Oh no, I'll hit you in the tooth because I've done it. You just kinda,
Ow, that will
kinda
hurt
tingle.
even more.
No, you're fine. Okay.
Ow.
Ready?
No.
Open your mouth.
Ow.
It's kind of a little tingle,
It's
isn't
just
it?
weird. I think you're gonna hit my lip. How scared you were gonna hit my lip and not my tooth.
Doesn't hurt on your lip.
No, I
I
can't.
gotta do it full.
Ow.
Does that hurt?
Yes, that hurt.
That one hurt.
That was loud. Is that good enough?
That's good.
That hurt really bad.
That's
still
the end of this
hurt.
video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below what is your favorite basketball player, and hit the subscribe button, hit the post notifications right next to it, and leave a like if you enjoyed. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out.
Peace.